If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. Here we are, day 19 of Inktober. For today's video, we're going to be drawing the Coahuilaceratops. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right again. But anyways, what I can see in the reference photos that I've used is that this dinosaur looks a lot like the Triceratops. The only big difference is its crest. And I think that the Triceratops is a lot bigger than this one. This one is still pretty big, like don't get me wrong. I think it's like around 6 meters long, which is gigantic. But I believe that the Triceratops would have been a lot longer, around like 7 to 8 meters. I'm not completely sure, but I believe the Triceratops was a little bigger. But the Coahuilaceratops is actually it's a really cool looking dinosaur in my opinion. It's one of my favorite ceratopsians now that I look at it. Like, it looks so awesome in my opinion. So for this drawing, I decided to do something different. So I decided to use my whole paper and just make this ceratopsian just have a sip of water at the river or at like some kind of pond. And it's being stalked by a T-Rex, because I looked at where it lived and in what time period it lived, and apparently it did have T-Rex like dinosaurs, and I believe even like Tyrannosaurids, like the T-Rex itself, I believe. But that's what I found, at least. So I decided to like make a little little background with some forests, because it did live in a very densely forested part where it was densely forested. Well, I don't even know how to say that, but it lived somewhere where there were lots of forests, and and it did have T-Rex, and I think that it even hunted these dinosaurs. So I believe it's a pretty cool little drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage.